Impact of energy supplements on sports performance, contemporary evidence, and future perspectives. In sports nutrition, energy supplements refer to dietary products such as gels, drinks, bars, or powders developed to deliver rapid or sustained energy, maintain electrolyte balance, and promote recovery, thereby enhancing athletic output and overall performance efficiency. Ongoing research in sports nutrition continues to expand the understanding of exercise physiology and provides the evidence base for current best practice recommendations. This review discusses the current role of energy supplements in sports performance and highlights future directions for their effective and safe use. A literature search was carried out using secondary sources, with keywords like energy supplements, electrolytes, athletic performance, and others. Energy supplements fall under the ergogenic and macronutrient-based category of sports nutrition. They primarily supply carbohydrates, proteins, and fats as energy sources, along with micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, and bioactive compounds such as caffeine, taurine, carnitine, and ginseng that enhance energy metabolism, endurance, and recovery. They provide rapid energy, maintain hydration, delay fatigue, and support metabolic, neuromuscular, and cognitive functions. Findings indicate that carbohydrate gels enhance endurance by providing energy, preserving glycogen, and stimulating the central nervous system, while energy bars offer a balanced source of natural sugars and proteins to support athletic performance. Effective use depends on timing, individual tolerance, sport type, intensity, and environmental conditions, helping to sustain performance, reduce fatigue, and accelerate recovery. When used appropriately, alongside a balanced diet and individualized nutrition strategies, they can improve endurance, reduce fatigue, and optimize training adaptations. Despite their benefits, challenges such as inconsistent nutrient content, variable individual responses, and safety concerns highlight the need for quality control and evidence-based use. Supplement combinations such as carbohydrate, protein, or carbohydrate, electrolyte mixtures have shown notable benefits in improving power and recovery, particularly in team sports. However, significant research gaps remain, especially regarding female athletes and sport-specific responses. Additionally, some studies report safety concerns and adverse effects, emphasizing the need for careful evaluation and evidence-based use of supplements. Future strategies should focus on personalized supplementation, innovative delivery systems, micronutrient monitoring, and athlete education to optimize performance, reduce fatigue, and ensure long-term health. Introduction: nutrition is vital for athletes, fueling their performance and health. Energy supplements like carbohydrates, protein, caffeine, and creatine help meet the intense demands of training and competition. They provide rapid energy, delay fatigue, support muscle repair, and speed up recovery. While a balanced, whole food diet is the foundation, supplements can offer a practical boost when used correctly. It's important to choose products wisely, as the market can have issues with inaccurate labels or contamination. A personalized nutrition plan, tailored to an athlete's specific sport and goals, is key to optimizing training, preventing injury, and achieving peak results. Conclusion: energy supplements are valuable tools for athletes, helping to boost energy, improve endurance, and speed up recovery when combined with a balanced diet. The most effective approach is personalized, using supplements tailored to an athlete's specific sport, body, and training needs. While these products can offer significant benefits, issues like inconsistent quality and inaccurate labels mean athletes must choose them carefully. The future of sports nutrition lies in smarter, more customized plans that use technology and science to match the right supplement to the right person at the right time. This ensures athletes get the maximum performance benefits safely and effectively, supporting their long-term health and success.
This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.